Can LLC partners take a salary? No. Partners in an LLC taxed as a partnership cannot take a salary because they are not considered employees. Instead, they take owner's draws or guaranteed payments, which are distributions of the LLC's profits and are subject to self-employment taxes. Salaries in the traditional sense apply only when the LLC elects to be taxed differently. For example, if two partners form an LLC and split profits 50-50, they each take draws based on the company's earnings. If the LLC elects to be taxed as an s-corporation, the partners who actively work in the business can then be treated as employees and paid a salary through payroll. The key is choosing the right tax structure. Guaranteed payments and draws are common in default LLC taxation, but salaries require corporate tax elections and proper payroll setup. Zen Business can help you structure your LLC and select the best tax status for paying partners. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. The link is in the description too.